Welcome to Fabby John's, the joy of decorating. Summer room refresh for style, budget, and ease while keeping the air fresh and airy summer vibe. First things first, deep clean surfaces, windows and floor. Organize or hide your clutter. Organize your clutter. Think baskets, trays, or light bins to put all your things in. Replace your throw pillow for lighter ones or bright ones. Depends on your preference. Swap heavy curtains for sheer panels or linen drapes. Add summer-inspired decor. Vases with fresh flowers, rattan trays, and citrus-scented candles. What can be better than that for summer? And while you're at it, update the bedding with light colors. Incorporate natural elements. Bring the outdoors in to enhance that summer vibe. Add plants, real or faux. Use natural textures like jute rugs, woven baskets, or bamboo frames. Let natural light in. Maximize it by rearranging furniture near windows. Use mirrors to balance more light around the room. Rearrange the layout. Sometimes a new feel just comes from a fresh layout. Move furniture to create more open and breezy flow. Keep walkways clear and make the space feel lighter. Try adding a corner reading nook with light, chair, and a plant. And of course, some candles. Add finishing touches. Polish your refresh with thoughtful summer accents. Citrus diffusers, ocean breeze candles, or fresh herbs for the windowsill. Add a summer playlist or ambient nature sounds, seasonal books, frame summer photos, add to the ambience and continuation of summer vibes. Set the mood with lighting. Use woven pendant lights or lantern-style sconces. Add candles with scents like sea salt, white tea, or coconut. Bring nature indoors. Accent with simple greenery, olive branches, eucalyptus, or pampas grass in a tall vase, a potted palm or fiddle leaf for large rooms. Remember, natural and neutral equals summer vibes. Watch to the end for more useful tips for your summer refresh. Here is your summer refresh checklist. Number 1, declutter and clean. Swap textiles and decor. Add natural textures and flowers and plants. Rearrange furniture and style with finishing touches. And most of all, enjoy your summer. Make memories. Don't forget the music playlist, the natural lighting, and opening your windows and letting the sun in. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers. With your help, we can do it. See you on the next one. Bye.